Well, I was never a Boy Scout. Let's go ahead and get add some avocado oil to go down on this to get it properly seasoned for the steak. Let that cook through. Get the stars good and greased up. Ooh, that's a little toasty. All right. Give that about 5 minutes to cook off, and we'll be right back. Got a 2-pound ribeye. Can't wait. Super thick. That is a good 2 inches. And here's the edge of a ribeye roast I had in the freezer. But why not just cook it up with this today too? I'll get this guy on first. Much bigger. You can see we have a much hotter surface over here. First over here, just how the avocado oil is cooking off. So, well, this is much thinner. I cook a lot faster. We'll put them just right there. Make sure they're properly seasoned. I'm making no promises about the cookedness and doneness of these two steaks. I figure campfire cooking, I'm not going to worry about how well they're done or how not well they're done. More about the cooking experience we're getting with the logs through the cook. Just take a moment to appreciate the sounds and smells of true outdoor cooking. Not much beats that. Going for our first turn, first flip on this. Oh, perfect. Absolutely awesome. Go ahead and go crazy. Go over the hot side. Put him over here. Make sure that dog stays well clear of this. Got some butter going down on top of this because it makes everything better. We are done. I'm pulling this guy off to let him rest. Oh, that crust is amazing. All right. I can't wait any longer to cut into this guy. Save that juice for later. Make sure the dog doesn't get it. Make sure we're properly focused as well. All right, I think we're ready. This looks this looks amazing. Let's do this. That looks awesome. I'm actually pretty impressed with how that cook turned out. Was not expecting much with a open fire pit. Now, I'm gonna do a taste test with the kiddo, but before she comes out here, I just have to try it. That's delicious. Come right back to you. All right, so we're doing a makeshift cook final taste on this guy here. So here we have the steak, just a piece of it. You want to go and give it a kiddo? Sorry, give it a bite. What do you think? Oh. That's a good steak. I love this new grill. So whenever the fire pit's fired up, I'm gonna be telling the wife what steak we're cooking today.
Well done.
Hey, he's been a good boy. Any questions? Let me know. Go ahead. Took my fingers off. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Hope you're having a good day. We definitely did. Keep barbecuing America. The smoke's getting us. The fire's still going. I think we'll do something else after this. What do you think? Maybe some s'more or something. Let's see. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.
Oh,
He's been a good boy. Bye.